Hey there, this is Ivan from SmartServ. We are a software company that helps and empower field service contractors like yourself by automating your entire business operations on and off the field. At the same time, we help you increase more revenue. We come with a custom configurable platform that can be absolutely customizable for your business needs. In short, we marry your complete workflow. Now, let's look into why should you check us out. Right from the point of your incoming service call till the time you collect the payment, everything is right on one single platform, SmartServ. You end up making a substantial amount of savings on credit card processing fees than any other softwares out there. On top of it, it fetches more reviews, which would increase more incoming service calls for you. You can also track your marketing spendings and calculate the ROI so that you can take better business decisions. In terms of pricing, we are one of the most budget-friendly softwares in the market with a dedicated onboarding manager for lifetime and 24/7 live human support. What that means is even if you guys are doing after hours job at midnight and if you face any concerns with the software, just give us a call and within minutes all your concerns will be taken care of. Why don't you check out our reviews on Capterra website and see what our existing customers are saying about us. Don't forget to check out our Facebook and Instagram pages to read about our latest developments and customer stories. We truly believe that there is a lot that we can do for you, and we would love to show that to you on the product demo.